Hello my YouTube fan, how you doing? Yes, you know who you are. Just had a parcel delivery this morning. Have your turn. What did you get? Well, I'll show you. Right, there's the parcel. It's a nice surprise for you. But let's have a look at this. You'll have to bear with me. I know what it is. I didn't at first, but I do now. So what is it? Let's have a look. So, it's Goop. Yes, Goop tyre sealant. So guess where that's going? Yep, in the Himalayan. Because out here in Wales you just do not want stranding anywhere with a puncture if you're not in the middle of nowhere. Now I know this doesn't completely guarantee you're not going to get a puncture, but theoretically you've got a 50% more chance that you're not gonna, because this is going to give you a backup plan. So what we have to motorbike, 250 mils probably in each tyre, instant puncture prevention. So yeah, this is 500 mils, so 250 in each tyre. That should sort it out. I'll give you peace of mind anyway. If you didn't have it in, you probably would get one anyway. So that's what we're going to be doing maybe this afternoon. I've just washed the bike, so yeah, put this in. I'm just having a coffee now. I've just washed the bike. Haven't we, Ted? Just washed the bike. Not interested. Lovely day. Absolutely lovely day. Who knows, put my Goop in, might actually get out for afternoon. Although when the sun shines, there's 1,001 things to do, isn't there? And you've got to get it all done in one day. But hey ho, right, get that sorted. Gonna have my coffee, see you a bit later. Right, so then, what does it say? It says prevent punctures and seals leaks in both tubeless and tube tyres. For over 25 years, our proven product has safeguarded hundreds of thousands of tyres. It is a non-corrosive, biodegradable solution that effortlessly rinses away with water. Simply apply it to your tyres and forget it's even there. Let Goop shield you and your loved ones from the hassle of flat tyres as your tyres rotates the sealant. Okay. So, I've just washed the bike this morning, as I said, cleaned it off a bit. So, first job is to let the air out of the tyres and then sort out how much they want filling back up. So, front's £25 per square inch and the rear 32. And if you've got a passenger, just bump them both up by £2 per square inch, so 25 and 32. Right, so let the air out first. Let the air out. Make sure it don't shoot off and end up around the garage. Whoa, big pressure coming out of that then. That's it. You hear it contracting. Same way front. And then these want to be at the bottom of the bike. Come on. That's it. This is an old type thing, it with my dad's. Spokes are a bit tighter on front. Now I'm going to need the Goop one. This is one whereby you could actually rethread your thing if you had any problems with it. I wouldn't imagine you could get them anymore. Anyway, I'm going to have to use the Goop thing. So I'll let the tyres down and then we'll get back to this. Okay, just hang on, hang fire. This Goop actually comes with a little thing to take your tyre out at your valve thing. But a bit tight in front. I couldn't use my other one, it wouldn't go between spokes. But that's handy. Anyway, so what we've got to do now is we've got to put 250 mils of this stuff in there. So what I've done, I've marked it clearly there. Let's see how we go. So I don't think there's any one particular side better than the other. Let's get the old kneeling pad. So if you can see that, we'll just check it. Yeah, you're all right there. So 250 mils. So, oops. Well, that's not very deep, is it? Is it going to go on? There we go. Check it, see how much has gone down. Not really going to see, are you? I used this before on my... hang on. If you squeeze it, you can just see it fall and rise. It's about there. So, same again. Could have done with a longer nozzle, I think. Keep squashing it in. I think that must be about it now. Let that settle. Can't see unless you... I can just about... It is roughly about there. I don't know if you can see it if I squeeze it. Hey Joe, Tractor Boy, if you're watching this, I've got some of this in my little Westwood tractor tyres, but you can buy industrial stuff, not this Goop. Might be with you putting it in yours. Yeah, I can see it's just about there. Maybe just another little splodge. Not a lot. That's it. That's it, pig. That's it. No, I just need something to wipe up now. I think I'll let that soak through a bit before I put my valve back in, because it might actually gum your valve up. So I'll just put that there for now, and then as I say, we do the same at the front. It's just hovering in top there, but I don't want this valve to get gummed up. But I suppose even if it goes in, it's going to get gummed up, innit? But anyway, I'll let it settle for now. Put this all in here now. Just squeeze it in gently. You don't want it coming back out over your wheel, really, but it's going to give you a bit of peace of mind, really, innit? Think about it. It's a 50-50 chance, but still that 50 is better than nothing. And it doesn't do too much harm when it's swishing around in the tyre. I mean, you're not racing, are you? So it's not a race bike, so you don't have to worry about that. Come on, I want every little bit in. I'm a tight Yorkshireman. Get in. When I got some Goop ages ago, this valve taker outer was solid brass, really good bit of kit, but now it's just cheap plastic. So before you do this, you might be as well getting a proper steel one from your garage, local card parts suppliers or something. I used to have one on top of a tyre pressure gauge, but I lost it. I'm like that. Don't over tighten. Bing! Right, that's that one done. Same with front, but you know what I'm doing. Just bear with me a minute. That's the old-fashioned tyre pressure thing. Not many motorists carry these anymore, I don't think. It's old school. But what I was telling you about was the top used to undo on one of them I had, and you'd have the valve take it out at the top, but I don't know what happened to that one. So anyway, let's put some air in this, so we'll connect this together. Look at that, flipping new for occasion. I wouldn't go buy these. I don't mean buy as purchase, I mean your tyre pressures. You can use them to a degree, you know, just to get you near the ballpark, but I won't trust them exactly. So, what do we say? We say 25 and 32, so we could try it, see if it's any good, I suppose. But this is a brand new one I bought. I've been promising myself one for ages. I'd say that's about 32, is it? Yeah, 20, 30, 40. I think that's near enough. We'll check it with the old school. Ah, knocked it. Try not to knock it, so we'll have a look. Pound. Yeah, that's roughly it. Don't forget to put these back on, because I've seen these blow out, work their way out and blow out. You didn't have a puncture, you just flipping lost your doofree. There's my word again, doofree. It fits all sorts of stuff, but there's your doofree in there. Anyway, right. Do the front now, it's exactly the same procedure. I won't take you on that one. One thing I did forget to mention as well, once you've got this in, give your wheel a good spin, get the fluid going round it. I mean, better still go out for a bike ride, but That'll do for me. I know it's in there. Same at the front. Just lines it all, then it helps it run around a bit more smoother. Yeah, that's one job I've got less to do. So, it's quite a straightforward job. So, if you want a bit of peace of mind, get some of this goop. As I say, it's not 100% guaranteed, but at least if you've got it in, if you're going to get a puncture, you've got a 50% chance that this is going to save you. And sometimes riding in Wales, a lot of them are just the thorns. Because when they cut all the hedges in October and whatnot, they just leave all the cuts on the floor. So there's thorns all over, and you're just hoping, well, hopefully cars will pick all them up before you do on your motorbike. So, yeah, Goop tyre sealer. I'll let you know how I get on. If I don't get a puncture, then obviously I'm okay. But if I do get a puncture, you'll be the first to know. Okay? Right. So anyway, thanks for sharing that with me. If you like what I do in my... If you like what I do in my controversial channel, just give us a like and a subscribe, and maybe pass it on to your friends. So there you go, there you have it. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Finished, finito. Till the next project. So, bye for now.